It has been commonly said that North Americans have a love affair with the car. If you pause to look on the streets of Toronto, it's all too clear. We simply drive too much. The average American makes 4 car trips each day, and the average Ontarian drives 16,000 kilometers per year. That's like going from Toronto to Vancouver and back twice.
The car has overtaken all other forms of transport in the past years, with the sales of cars going from 14,000 in 1990 to 39,000 in 2006, increasing car sales by 279% over only 16 years. And to be fair, cars do have some advantages. They provide door-to-door transport, allow independence, and are comfortable. But however, what is the cost of this? What are we willing to pay for these privileges?
In 2005, 135 megatons of CO2 equivalent was released into the atmosphere by road vehicles. In each household with a car, vehicle emissions make up 38% of the emissions of that house. With 2 cars, that slice increases to 55%. Relative to your car, whether or not you have energy-efficient light bulbs makes a small impact in your pollution.
The carbon dioxide in our atmosphere is negatively affecting our climate. The greenhouse gases in the air are warming up the planet, causing dire ecological effects. Extinctions, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, warming temperatures. Unless we would continue paying this price, we need to get rid of the car. But however, we cannot just simply get rid of our need to travel. An alternative is necessary. That alternative is public transit. Public transit will get you wherever you need to go without the emissions. Public transit emits 76% of CO2 that cars emit. Once the effects of gridlock are factored in, this number changes to 57%. Remember the one-ton challenge? If you switch to public transit to get around, you can reduce your carbon footprint by 2.2 tons per year.
How many people are there in the subway? There are 34. That means people in the subway car reduce their emissions by 75 tons. No adds to it. If Canada as a whole takes the transit, we can reduce our national emissions. In the U.S., emissions were reduced by 7.9 megatons of CO2 in 2005. This is the proof that if we make the switch to greener public transit, we can make a difference for our climate. Every day, more GHGs are being sent into the atmosphere, and they will still affect us for many years. It is much easier to stop putting GHGs into the atmosphere than it is to start taking them out. If we want to stop the effects of climate change, we need to immediately reduce our emissions, and we need all the help we can get in this task. Using public transit will make a huge difference to our ecology, and the time has come to make that difference.